Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope you all had a great trading day yesterday. Let's review S&P 500 cycle analysis. We'll review Bitcoin, Ethereum. We'll review all other major indices, major FANG stocks, and all the commodities. Please hit the like button, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. All right. So SPX cycle analysis, you can follow this yellow cycle, okay, a yellow dotted line, very close to bottom. All right. So we should be bottoming any time now, right? So instead of a decline, we got choppy price action, and we are making a flag, and eventually we're going to have a pump. So be very careful extensively shorting this. Look for this flag to break out at any point now. All right. And on SPY, we were waiting for this gap to fill. That's still not filling. No economic news, although futures are down 0.43%. Let's see if today today can we fill this gap. I don't know, because there's also a nice support on this 20 moving average, which is this white line. If I look at the live futures, you can see it's sitting right on the support. All right, so this is also nice support. Again, we are just doing this flag pattern. Worst case, for some reason, if we go down, then I think the most likely scenario is filling this gap, and that's it. Okay, and then we're gonna pump, and that gap from pre-market, it's just 1% away. All right, so just keep that in mind. Let's do side-by-side comparison. We're going to keep S&P 500 futures on the left and live market daily chart on the right. This is left side is only for day trading. Those who are new, red lines are where we sell, green lines are where we buy, and this I only use this for one trade, today's trade only. Right side is the longer term chart. All right, so you can see like a longer term chart is sitting on the support, this white line 20 moving average, and futures are right now coming to the buy zone. All right, so you can see we came to the buy zone yesterday and bounce again, multiple time touching buy zone, and right now also trying to go towards buy zone before market open. And I won't suggest you shorting here. I think it's ideal to buy call option or look to buy this stock because it's very close to support here. And let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a bit stronger, again came to the buy zone, bounced yesterday, and now also a little bit near between buy zone and neutral zone. So let's see if it can bounce. Futures on a daily chart also getting closer to this white line. And if I look at triple Qs, right now the gap is all the way down, which is around 468. Still a significant way to go. I think the only way it will go that way if NVDA drops really big. We'll talk about it later on. Dow Jones, let's look at Dow Jones, also very close to the buy zone, came to the sell zone yesterday, nice dump from there, and now coming close to buy zone. Also daily chart is very sitting right on these multiple supports. I don't think it's going to be easy for it to break. And if I look at DIA ETF, you can see there was a gap which I already deleted it, but that's filled now. And again, sitting on this moving average green line, and also other multiple moving averages. Russell 2000, let's look at that right now. Touched the buy zone yesterday and again today this morning, and then bounced, significantly bounced, and now in the neutral zone. And on a daily chart, below all moving averages, again holding above green line. So it's trying its best to, so it was a fake out a couple of days ago, broke out. Again, yesterday was a dump below all moving averages, and today just barely trying to hold. If I look at IWM ETF, same thing here. Really, we want this to close above 202 to be really bullish on IWM. And let's keep moving. XLU utility sector. By the way, guys, if you want to know about more about these green and red lines, join. There's a join description in the join button in the description of this video. I share these levels with my subscribers. Let me know if you join. Put a comment, and I will add you to members only group. XLU is in the buy zone, and I shared this trade with my subscribers. I'm buying this, although it looks really bearish, but short-term chart is telling me there's a bounce. Yesterday also there was a bounce. I should have sold it, but I kept it. So anyhow, I'll be looking for another bounce here. So let's see when we get it. And CNI is another stock near buy zone right now. Tesla had a massive pump yesterday. Looks like a lot of short squeeze now in the sell zone. And let's see if it can hold. The next targets are here in the yellow lines. You can take a screenshot. This is where we're looking to buy. There's also a gap here around 198. So we broke out. We never filled this gap. So today Tesla delivery numbers will be out at some point. So they might want to fill this gap and then bounce later on. So just keep an eye on that. Also, good news is it's above all moving averages now, and we're developing a strong bull trend. So any dips will be finding support on these EMA lines. AMDs also, I'm keeping an eye on that. It was in the buy zone and then bounce. Let's see if it can. It did not fill this gap at 153, so that's my target. If it comes all the way down, I'll be looking to buy at 153, because that's going to be a nice move, a major move before we go higher, in my opinion. Bitcoin is trying its best. A green line is about to cross red line, which is a very good news. You can see here on live futures, green line is about, I think today it will cross over. And whenever that happens, that's extremely bullish for Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin is trying its best to form a bottom, and do not be extremely bearish here. Okay, maybe in the shorter term time frame, it's trying to make a flag. If I go to 1 hour chart, maybe it's trying to make some kind of consolidation, and then it's going to eventually break out. So keep that in mind. Looks like a flag here, and if it breaks out, the next resistance is going to be here around 66K. All right. Just remember on BTC futures, there are a couple of gaps. First gap on the top side 635.65, and then other two gaps are here 60,500 and then 59,500. But they don't have to be filled now, they will be filled at some point. Ethereum, one gap all the way up around 3,900, and then bottom gaps are around 33.98 and 28.08. Ethereum also, let's look at the green line is about to cross red line, so Ethereum can also support Bitcoin whenever that happens. On the live future side, Ethereum, let's look at the levels, is also in the neutral zone. Bitcoin here is also in the neutral zone. All right. Let's look at the Hang Seng Index, HSI in the neutral zone. Nice bounce in the morning, and then now in the neutral zone. Right in the middle, one gap down, one gap up, one gap up. I don't know which one will fill first. Apple is in the near the sell zone. There's still a gap. It's still not filled around 210. Let's see when they will fill. Amazon is very bullish, near sell zone. Netflix is, let's look at Netflix is also, it's in the near neutral zone. Google is near neutral zone. Meta Facebook is, let's see, let it load. Sometime my computer just data sorry is slow. So Meta is near buy zone. That's good news. Also Meta on a daily chart holding support on this 20 line, white line. Let's see if it can bounce. Microsoft is in the sell zone. Snowflakes must be in the sell zone. AVGO must be near, okay, it's near neutral zone. NVDA pre-market down a little bit, is still in the neutral zone. All right, let's look at commodities. Gold. Gold is trying its best to hold it, hold the trend in the neutral zone. Silver is bouncing, also trying to made a new low. Is it going to get rejected here? Right near resistance right now, this white line. Let's see what it will do. Copper is in the sell zone. Crude oil, very bullish, breaking out. You can see flag yesterday. I was saying it's flagging, and now it's breaking out. Really, really bullish, and it's going to be bad for inflation, but it is what it is. Natural gas is nearby zone. Palladium is in the neutral zone. Soybeans could be the next trade in the sell zone right now, bouncing. Sugar was very bullish a couple of days ago and now consolidating. So still very good. Flagging, could be getting ready for a bounce. Wheat is in the sell zone short term, but trying its best in the daily chart to reverse the trend. Corn is in the buy zone. Also, this could be another trade of the year. Summer is here. So let's see if corn can finally bounce. Gold miners, GDX is in the neutral zone. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you have any particular chart you want me to review, put a comment. VIX is also bouncing. Anything below 12, 13, VIX can bounce. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. Okay, all the best for today. Bye.